What even is avey-io? avey-io is an AV audiovisual script writing platform. Takes care of all of your pre-production for your video projects. Over the years, we've all used Google Docs with a table. Maybe you write your script in ChatGPT and then you copy and paste line by line into the Google table, and it's just a mess. So this is one of those tools that it's like, why didn't this ever exist before? So we built it, and this is what we use every day for our client scripting phase now. So let's go through everything you can do. So the project we're working on today is an award submission for a brand that we worked with. So let's start by creating a new folder, and we know this is for the Meridian Awards. And then we're going to create a new script. The brand is Northline, and this description is just a little note to ourselves to remind us later. So this is like quick promo campaign. And we know it's supposed to be 60 seconds, and we're going to put it in the Meridian Awards folder, create script. So right off the bat, we see the script editor. So this is where you could write just like in Google Docs, how you would write a script. Maybe you already have one from the client, you can paste it in here. Over here's the scene tab. This is where we'll populate each actionable scene with directions, reference images, notes. We don't have a script for this project, so let's go over to the AI chat here. We want help creating a script from our ideas. The chat gives us a little bit of context that would be helpful for it to write a good script. So I'm going to come down here and just type in as much context as I have for this particular project. So now we can hit generate script and the AI will do its magic. So here the AI populated a first draft of a script. So we can read through it, we can make any edits that we want. And then if we want any rewrites, we can come down here and say enhance my script. And let's say the client emailed us and told us that they got 1,000 new followers on Instagram. This campaign generated 1,000 new followers. And let's also add some Gen Z language like Riz, etc. Submit that. The AI works to rewrite the script with our notes, and bam, we can see our new line, 1,000 new followers on Instagram. We can see words like no cap for our Gen Z language. So this is great. So now the real magic comes when we're ready to deploy this to our scenes. So come down here, say deploy to scenes, and this is what's going to break it out into the AV script. We can just do auto generate. If you have specific instructions like break it into only 5 scenes or don't give audio directions, you could add that here. We see that the AI is taking us over into the scenes tab, and now the script is broken out into scenes by sentence, and it's also added directions over here. It has ideas for on-screen text, simple motion graphics, sound effects. Here's where it suggests animating the logo in. It suggests looking for stock footage down here. So this is awesome. So we can just hide the AI for now to work on this. And let's say we want to add some reference images. So we could just go to our favorite image site and let's just grab some images. So maybe we'll take this, and all I have to do is just screenshot, then highlight this scene. I can hit paste. We can add a few more, and I can add more directly to this same scene. It'll stack them. Now let's grab some images of streamers. And again, I'm just screenshotting and pasting. You could also upload if you clicked on add image. Now we can just click on these images, and left and right scrolls through the images that are in the scene, and up and down goes between your scenes. So you can quickly check out all your references. Over here, we could add notes like, say we wanted to add a URL of the stock. Maybe we want to add a note about here the music kicks in. We have footage of all this. We'll send it. Cool. Then at the bottom, if we want to add any script notes, like maybe music should be upbeat, but not EDM. And then maybe like, here's a link to the drive with all our footage. So one really important thing to note is your runtime is up here in the right corner. So we said we wanted this to be 60 seconds, and our current script is at 58. So it's green, that's great. Let's say we had added a couple extra lines, like we had added a scene, and we had typed something like, this campaign was amazing, and this is a run-on sentence. So this scene actually pushed us over our time to 106. So that indicates red, we know that it's too long. Let's go ahead and delete that. Now we're back to our target runtime. So when we're ready to share with a client, we come up here to hit share, generate link. We can just copy this and send it to the client as a view only link where they can review the script and see the images. But if you want someone to collaborate with you, you would hit share, and you can enter their email here, and it will send an email to them so that they can actually edit this. We're really excited about this new way of writing scripts. We use it on every project now, and we'd love to see what you think about it. You can try it for free at avey.io and let us know what you think. We have several other features coming out in the next couple months, such as a commenting system, and the AI will be able to actually read your brand and help you make decisions based on tone. But for now, I think that's it.